Today, I will show how to buy shares of Comstock Holding Cos Inc. as a clear step-by-step example. Comstock Holding Cos Inc. is an industrial holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CHCI. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Always research and consider risks before acting. To buy CHCI, you must use a broker. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CHCI to find the Comstock Holding Cos Inc. listing. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and select the correct result to open the stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the company name, ticker CHCI, and the NASDAQ exchange are visible before proceeding. Choose the buy option, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will request you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, the CHCI position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description below if you want to explore the platform.